Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this could be a wave 5, but I'm still not convinced the wave 5 is over. I still think it needs to go up to at least a 55, 156 area before we do get that bigger push down. Going down to the weekly time frame, now we are at a Fibonacci level, which could be an area of resistance, but I still think there's more likely that it will take out these highs, and that would actually put us all the way up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is where I think maybe this wave 5 will end and we will get that bigger push to the downside. So going down to the daily time frame, this thing has definitely been really sideways, really struggling at this 78.6, but boy, it looks like an ABC correction. It looks like it wants to just keep on going up towards that 100% Fibonacci extension level that I showed on the weekly time frame. Now we do have to remember that today is non-farm payroll for the US dollar, and that is a big news event. This is extremely sideways, and to be honest with you, when I usually see something this sideways, usually I don't even trade it. But to me, it looks like one big correction, especially on the daily time frame. It kind of looks like the correction is already over, and it kind of seems that this is more likely to just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure right here, and we definitely do have a five-way pattern to the downside. Kind of seems like to me this could be a wave C. If it is a wave C, then today's news will actually probably cause this to just keep on trending up. Until the higher time frames tell us otherwise, like tell us that we need to start looking for shorts, I personally would continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames, at least until the higher roadmap time frames tell me otherwise, which they definitely have not done so as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you and happy trading.